Hi and welcome to You and Me Equals 3. In today's video, I'm sharing with you these 3 delicious oatmeal breakfast ideas for babies 8 months and above that you must definitely try this year if you don't know about them already. So with that being said, let's go and get cooking. Okay, so now we are in the kitchen, and for our 3 oatmeal recipes, this is everything that I'm going to need. To start, I have some oatmeal here, and then I have some flax seeds that I have just grounded a bit here. This is empty, doesn't need to be there. I have some blueberries. My daughter is giving me the sign that I should position it well enough so people can see. So sorry, I'm off track here. Blueberries, some plain yogurt. I have some milk, honey, and make sure you get a very good honey. And the yogurt, this is the kind that I used. It's organic. We will need an apple, and it is a personal preference. You can either, I'm using a Granny Smith here, but you can use Golden Delicious, you can use Pink Lady, whichever one that you prepare. That you prefer, because the Golden Delicious and Pink Lady, they are more on the sweeter side. I prefer Granny Smith. And then we are going to need a little bit of butter, some banana, and I have this really brown looking one because the browner they look, the more sweeter they are. So yeah, banana. And this is all we will be using for the 3 oatmeal recipes. So now I'm going to move you towards the burner and I will start showing you how I make them. Okay, now my pot is here, and I'm going to turn my burner on medium heat, and I will add in the milk like that. So the full recipe will be linked in the description box. You can check it out. And I'm just going to take this, so I put my spoon in. After I'm done, there's my spoon. Okay, I have the milk in here, and I'm going to add the flax seeds to it. And I will let this come to a quick boil. Then we'll add in our oatmeal. Milk and flax seeds has come to a boil, and I'm just going to add in the oatmeal and give it a stir. There you go. And flax seeds is very, very healthy. It's considered a superfood. And one thing that most new moms just I think they don't really know, because they are not experienced when it comes to feeding a baby, is that anything, if you really think about it, anything that is good for us as grown-ups. Before I continue talking, I'm going to let this oatmeal, I'll put a lid on, and I will let it cook for a minute or two, boil for a minute or two, and then I will take it off the heat and let it sit for 5 more minutes. But in the meantime, while I prepare my banana, what I was saying is I'm just going to take half of the banana and peel it. This has been washed already, and I'm just going to cut them into slices. So what I was saying again before I went off track, if you really think about it, most of the foods that are healthy for us as grown-ups are healthy for children, for babies, little ones as well. The only difference is that babies cannot eat spicy food, babies cannot eat. So now I'm going to put this aside and let it sit for 5 minutes, and in the meantime we will be making the caramel banana. So babies cannot eat spicy food, babies cannot eat a lot of legumes, beans and all that. And of course, babies, you give them small portions of the food. You won't just give them like a huge bowl of oatmeal, or you just give them a few spoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons, because their belly is very, very small. So yeah, that is out of the way. I'm now going to put this pan on, turn the heat on as well, And into that, I will add 1 teaspoon of butter. And I'm going to use a wooden thing to help me put it in. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of butter like that. Just like that. Let it melt. Okay. And to that we will add in the sliced bananas. My heat, I'm going to put it on medium high. So just putting the sliced bananas just like that. And I think I mentioned this already, but I will leave the full recipe linked in the description box so you can check it out if you want to prepare this for your baby or even for yourself. You, the mom as well, you can also eat this. So this is going to just brown like this for a few minutes. Turn it around. So this first one is oatmeal served with caramel banana. Now at this point, I'm going to add my honey. And because the banana is really sweet, I'm just going to take 1 teaspoon of honey. Depending on how ripe your bananas are, you can take 1 tablespoon if you prefer. But I'm taking 1 teaspoon because the banana is really sweet. So there. And I'm just going to put this away for now. I did drip a little bit here. Get my sleeves in honey. Okay, give it a little bit of a stir. And this is it. This part here is done. After the oatmeal has sat for 5 minutes, I will dish it and show you how it. Okay, so the oat has been sitting for 5 minutes. And this is how it looks like. It has thickened nicely. And I'm going to dish it. So you just take, as we all know, babies don't eat that much. So you take a few oatmeal, a few spoons of oatmeal, and then you put your caramel banana on top of it like that. And there you have it. This is the first one and it's all done. So for the second oatmeal recipe, I'm going to cook the remaining oat, and then I will show you how I make the toppings for it. So for the second recipe, I have my pan all clean and have my burner turned on again. And just like the first one, but this time I screwed up a bit, so I'm going to take a little spoon here. Okay, so I'm going to make the second one, and that is the caramel blueberries. I have my pan on medium heat once again. I'm going to add in, once again, half a teaspoon of butter. Like that. Just like we did with the banana. Melt the butter up a bit. Dump in the blueberries. And let this cook a little bit. 3 to maximum 5 minutes. You will see that the blueberries will be kind of soft, or you can just use your spoon to just press it down a bit, just like that. Even if you like, after you do it like this, you caramel it like this, you can use a mixer to just mix it up, to puree it up if you prefer it more pureed, but I like it like this. Okay, now we are going to add, just like we did with the banana, once again, half a teaspoon of, between half to 1 teaspoon, again depending on how sweet the blueberries are. And using my fork, I will just press this down some more. Yeah, now it's nice and soft. Perfect. Give it a quick stir. Take it off our heat. And since I cannot do all the three-time oatmeal on camera, I have cooked more of it here, and I'm going to dish it once again and pour my blueberry caramel on top, just like that. This is so good. So that is done as well, showing it. So for the last part of this oatmeal recipe, I'm going to take my apple and I'm just going to take 1/4 like that. Here's kind of messy. And I will just peel it. Okay, now it is peeled, and I'm going to grate it in here like that. Jeffrey, do you want an apple? No. Okay, off track. Now I'm going to, with the apple grated, I'm going to take my oatmeal, serve it in here, add the grated apple. I'm just going to go like that, adding the yogurt, and mix it all together, just like that. I have a tissue in my hand because my hands were a bit sticky. Okay, and this third one is done. So just to make everything look nice, I'm going to just put this tiny here and the apple, a little bit left, like that. This is for the picture part, so it looks presentable. So this is the apple and the oatmeal with yogurt recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do try the recipe, and you let me know in the comment section if you do give it a try, how you find it. If you like more videos like this, let me know in the comment section, and I will try to make more breakfast options for babies. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Bye.